Welcome to TopNotch Furnishers. In this video, we will show you how to assemble a metal cage Ottoman lift storage bed step by step. First, identify all the parts. Step 1. Remove all packaging materials and carefully remove the foam protectors and loosen the nuts on the headboard using a cordless electric drill. If a power tool is not available, a spanner or wrench can also be used. Now prepare the side rails. Using an electric cordless drill, remove the bolts from the side rails. If a drill is not available, the bolts can also be removed by hand using a spanner or wrench. Once the bolts have been removed, position the Ottoman bed lift mechanism brackets onto the side rails where the bolts were previously located. Secure the brackets by tightening the bolts. Attach the side rails to the headboard. Align the fittings properly and secure the nuts. Once properly aligned, tighten the nuts. Repeat the process on the opposite side, ensuring both rails are evenly aligned and firmly connected. Next, place the baseboards onto the floor and push them up against the headboard. Repeat this step for the second baseboard. It is perfectly normal to see a small gap between the baseboards, as this allows proper ventilation for the bed. Now locate the middle support bar and temporarily remove its bolts so the frame can be assembled correctly. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Next, raise the side rails, then position the footboard and attach it securely to the hooks provided. Once aligned, tighten the bolts. Repeat the process on the opposite side. After the footboard is installed, place the middle support bar back into its position in the center of the bed frame and tighten the bolts. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Carefully open the metal cage Ottoman frame and place it across the bed frame or in an area where you have enough working space. Using the metal brackets, next, insert the bolts through the holes provided and secure it using the nuts from underneath. And tighten the nuts. Repeat the same process for the foot end side. Insert the bolts through the holes and secure them from underneath using the nuts provided. Place the metal cage Ottoman frame gently onto the middle support bar and align the bolt holes. Insert the bolts through the holes and secure them from underneath using the nuts provided. Once secured, gently lift the metal cage Ottoman frame. Check that all bolts, brackets, and fittings are secure and tightly fastened. Now attach the gas pistons and carefully adjust its angle to ensure the mechanism opens and closes smoothly. Make sure the thinner side of the piston is positioned downward. Next, attach the lifting strap to the foot end of the metal cage Ottoman frame. Finally, lower the metal cage Ottoman frame into the closed position and place your mattress on top. Your metal cage Ottoman gas lift storage bed is now fully assembled. Thank you for choosing TopNotch Furnishers. Designed for comfort, built for quality.